Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode we have this cool amazing pot right here in my hand. If you can see, it's by a brand called Buffalo. Basically what this is a waterless cooking pot that you can use to cook without water, which is pretty cool, right? So if you guys take a look on the side right here, it tells you guys that it has the smart forming technology for the rapid heat transmission, which means that it has an equal heat distribution throughout the pot itself. Next is the one piece designed for easy cleaning and carefree usage. And what that means is that the product itself is like all one whole product. Usually if you guys have like the pot on like the handle part, it's separate, then it's attached onto the product itself. This one is like a one whole piece, so then that way it's much more durable and it's all one whole piece, so it won't actually break. Next thing you can see right here is the intelligent air vault design, and pretty much what that is that on the top part of the lid, it has an opening so it can actually open up and let the air or the smoke come out of the product itself. So when you have the cooking stuff, there's always going to be some kind of smoke inside, so this way it lets all the smoke out instead of being stuck inside the pot. Or if you guys want to, you guys can even leave it closed so that way you can cook the product even longer and faster as well. Next thing is the water seal design. So for this product itself, you guys can seal the lid, so then that way you guys can actually keep all the natural flavors and all the nutrients that's on the product itself, so that way you guys can actually get a healthier meal and whatnot. Next thing they mentioned here is the scratch proof surface. So the material that they use for all their pots, the woks, and also the stainless steel rice cooker, those are all scratch proof, and I've actually been using their product for a really long time and they never disappoint. Like what they say about scratch proof is actually scratch proof. And on the very bottom you can see that it tells you guys where you guys can use the pot on. So on a gas stove, electric stove, ceramic stove, halogen, and then the induction cooktop as well. So those are all the functionality that's on the product itself. Now let me actually take it out to show you guys what this one looks like first. So when we open the package itself, you can see that's what it looks like inside. So let's take it out first. Alright, so here we have the product itself. Like the moment I took it out, I can definitely feel like the heaviness of the product itself. So it's definitely a really high quality product. The whole product itself, it is stainless steel, which is pretty awesome. So first thing you can see right here is the lid. So let me actually take out the lid to show you guys what it looks like first. So as you can see, this is basically what the lid looks like. So this part, you can see, this is the air vault that they were mentioning. So you can actually open and close it like this. So that little gap area is the air vault that they're talking about. So that way you can let the smoke out. And you guys want to close it, you guys can close it like that. So really cool and handy to use. And then this is what the lid on top part looks like. Next, we can see that they provide you a little user guide or instruction guide on how to maintain the product and what comes in the package itself. And then obviously the last and final thing right here, if you guys can see, this is the pot. So let's take it out. Alright, so this is basically what the product looks like. You can see, very nice handle. And then this part you can see that is a one whole set. So that means that it's all attached together. Because a lot of products nowadays, they don't have like a one whole piece, like where it's connected all together. They have it where it's like somehow like sealed or glued onto the product itself, and that's not as good compared to this one. This way it makes it much more sturdy, and if you guys need to replace anything, you probably just need to replace this little handle right here and not anything else, because you guys can see this is one piece right here and you just need to remove this part to replace it and whatnot. And it's really cool how they have this slot right here, so you actually hang it onto the wall or wherever you guys want to. Interior of the product, this is what it looks like, you can see. So the one that I got right here is 18 centimeters. This is the only one that I have where it has a handle like this. The other ones that I have is like a two handle like this, and that one usually isn't as convenient because I usually like to have one handle instead of two handles, so it's much more easy to hold. Instead of holding two things, just hold one thing. And then if you guys are wondering what can you guys use this pot for, you guys can basically use this for anything you guys want to. You guys can use it to make noodles, soup, sauce, even warming up your milk. You can use this basically for anything, especially because of the fact that you can actually use this without water to cook stuff as well. So you guys can see right here it says Buffalo, and it's been around since 1957, which is pretty long if you guys think about it. I don't think they ever will perfect the product because every year they're trying to make it better for you guys. Like I can say this is perfect right now, but 1 year from now or maybe a few months from now, they'll make a brand new one that's even better from this, because they always want to make a better product, better than any of the competitors as well. And then on the very bottom you can see that this is basically what it looks like. You guys can hear the sound. Sounds very nice. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. The only way for us to actually find out when actually it's worth it and how well it works is to actually go test it out. So let me actually go do a quick test to cook some stuff maybe, and then come back and talk more about the product itself. Alright, so here we have the product. We're going to do a quick cooking test of the product itself. I have some soup in here that I'm just going to use with some eggs, add some noodle in here and cook it so I can eat it. So I'm going to turn on the fire first. Alright, so you can see the even heat distribution already starting to work, because it kind of like started to fog out throughout the product. You guys can open the cap or close it depending on what you guys want to do. I'm gonna leave it open so the steam can come out. So you guys can kind of hear the product itself is boiling. You can kind of see the steam coming out as well. So when we open up, you guys can see that it's starting to boil, which is pretty good. So now we're adding the noodles. Alright, so we have all the noodles in. So I'm gonna close up the lid really quick to let it kind of like cook a little bit faster or whatever, and close the lid so I can actually cook a little bit better than having it open. Like, you guys don't even need to wait that long to kind of like fully cook it, because when you guys close the lid, it sealed all like the flavors and nutrients inside instead of letting the flavors out and whatnot. So if I just had it on for like a couple seconds now, you guys can see like a huge difference once I open it. So let me open up and show you guys what I mean. So you can see that it's really boiling now. And like what I really like about this pot is the fact that it has this very strong, sturdy handle. Like if I were to compare, like this handle is not as sturdy. This one's like super sturdy that will actually last you guys longer, and you guys can get a really good grip on it. So I can just bring this over and just start serving it. And then you can use either side of sponge or this side, doesn't matter because it's scratch proof. So just like this, if you guys scrub it like this, it's very easy to kind of clean, and then you guys can just rinse it off. And then you guys are all done. And then same thing for the lid. So if you guys want to like scrub it off or whatever, it's pretty safe to scrub it. Scrub it all off, make sure it's all clean, and then next time you guys don't have to worry about it. So just like that. You guys want to add soap, you guys can as well, but it's pretty much scratch resistant and scratch proof. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the test of our product, you can see that actually does work and actually works really well. Really easy to clean and everything. They basically use the same kind of material as my rice cooker and wok that I have, which is pretty awesome. Like, to be honest with you guys, I think out of all the other brands or products out there in the market, this one definitely has to be my favorite one because of like the material that they use, and every year they always try to improve their product to make it one better than the other one from the previous year, and also better than all the competitors. So like some of the brands that are out there, like the elephant brand, and there's like the tiger brand, and this one's the buffalo brand, which is one of my favorite ones so far. Like, you guys know that I review products from like the elephant brand, Rishi, and then there's the tiger brand, but I haven't really used that brand too much because it hasn't really been my favorite, and there's nothing really too eye-catchy for me. But if I have to rank which one is my favorite brand, this one would definitely have to be on the top one. Like, I've been using these products from this brand for a really long time, I think over 10 years now, and they never disappoint. So now that we did the unboxing and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So obviously I have to say that this product is actually worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. If you guys think it's a little bit too expensive compared to your regular pot that you guys can pay for, think again, because what you're paying for is a higher quality product compared to that. Like, if you guys saw my most recent video that I did, I believe like a couple months ago, about like the pot that has 4 quarts or something, that one was like a good quality product, but it's not as good as this one. Like, when you guys feel the quality on this pot versus that one, it's not as good. This one is definitely much better than that one. It's much more heavier, it's much more higher quality. Like, you can feel the difference between this pot versus that pot. And you guys don't get the same functionality that's on the other pot, like right here where you can actually close it up and then seal it up if you guys need to. Because of how heavy the lid is, it covers the product completely, so that way it won't like leak out any kind of smoke or unless you guys open the opening. And you guys will definitely get all those natural flavors and the nutrients inside. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else they actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little unboxing, testing, and feedback about this product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that'll be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have